What does it sound like when you talk to yourself? Hey, it's Rich Williams with TheRichWilliams.com. What does it sound like when you talk to yourself? Are you loving and caring and supportive? Or are you condemning and mean and mad? Do you understand that the way you talk to yourself affects your life internally and externally? Let's make sure that we're practicing positive self-talk. If you do something wrong, maybe you can go like, come on, Rich, you're better than that. What can we learn from this? Let's do better next time. How can I make sure I do better next time? As opposed to, you stupid idiot, right? Because what does that do? Nothing positive. What do you talk to yourself about? Are you positive and encouraging like you would be with others? Let's make sure that we're practicing positive self-talk going forward. Great to see you. Take care.